What's up, money growers? Jacob back here with another video doing the good old-fashioned credit card comparison that I know so many of you like here on this channel. Today we're talking about two of the big credit union giants here with Navy Federal and SECU. We're going to be talking about both of really what people would consider to be their top credit cards that they offer. So guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel because we got a lot more to talk about here in the world of finance, particularly in the world of credit, and how credit unions can be a really great option compared to banks. Obviously, banks are the big boys on the block, but credit unions have a lot to offer, particularly Navy Federal, particularly SECU, and several others that lots of people just don't realize because banks are so big and, you know, they got bigger marketing budgets. So let's go ahead and jump into this, okay? So as we talk about Navy Federal versus SECU. So Navy Federal, they are the largest credit union in the world, okay? They have over 9 million members. They do tend to focus on serving the military and their families and things like that, although you do not have to be in the military or have to have served in the military to be in Navy Federal. We'll talk a little more about that later in the video. SECU, State Employees Credit Union, is Maryland's largest credit union with 24 branches throughout Maryland and 50,000 plus free ATMs. You do not need to live in Maryland or be in the area at all to join SECU. We will talk about that again towards the end of the video. So we'll talk about this. We'll talk about these cards. We'll give a rundown on these, some of the benefits, the offers, who they're for, the fees on these cards, what you can expect if you're going to be paying fees on these. So we're going to look at the Navy Federal Visa Signature Flagship Rewards Credit Card and SECU Visa Signature Card. Now, these are both cards that they have really for maximizing rewards in terms of the points you get on these and travel. These are, you know, for each of these credit unions, this is probably their best travel card that they offer. So as we look and dig a little deeper, here's the sign-up bonus. As of the making of this video, these bonuses do change over time. So Navy Federal, you're going to get 40,000 bonus points, which is $400 if you decide to cash it in, for spending $4,000 within 90 days of opening the account. Typically, Navy Federal will give you 90 days for whatever the bonus is. It's usually spend a certain amount within 90 days. Typically, they give you 10% back in cash of whatever that spend amount is. With SECU, what we're looking at here is 25,000 bonus points when you make any combination of purchase transactions totaling at least 2,000, you know, in the first 90 days of your account opening. So they both do the 90-day mark. Obviously, SECU, you know, they're not pushing as high as spend for the sign-up bonus as Navy Federal is, but again, these do change over time. Now, as we jump into here, it's the benefits of these cards, okay? Now, they do have some similarities that you're going to see as we go through this. These two cards do have some stuff in common. Now, with the Flagship card, you get to earn 3 points on travel purchases. So that's flights, your hotel stay, commuting expenses, tolls, bridge expenses. You also get 3 points on anything else that's travel-related. So car rental, timeshare, if you go camping, RV park. Also, ride share services, so Uber and Lyft. Even if you're not on vacation, okay, you take Uber and Lyft just around town, you're going to get 3 points with Navy Federal on this card. So the same thing for parking, bridges, tolls, ferries, all that kind of thing. You get triple the points with Navy Federal for doing that. Now, with the signature card, what you're going to get is you're going to get 3 times the points as well, but you're going to get it on dining, travel, Amazon, and iTunes. So then you get 2 points on gas and groceries, 1 point on everything else. You do have, you know, liability protection, all that kind of stuff that, you know, is pretty common with most credit cards now. So as we continue with it, what you get is with the Flagship card, you get 3 points, like I said, on travel, and that also includes entertainment. Options like museums, amusement parks, public golf courses. Now, with the Flagship, you get 2 points in everything else, okay? With the Signature, you get 1 point in everything else. So that Flagship, you get 2 points in everything else. They're going to give you $100 in statement credit if you're going to get a global entry or TSA pre-check. They have no balance transfer fee, foreign transaction fee, and cash advance fee. That's pretty common across all of Navy Federal's credit cards. The Navy Federal is not known for having lots of fees attached to their credit cards. SECU, their card, you get travel reservation service, you know, you get rental discounts, travel accident insurance, lost damaged luggage coverage, hotel, motel, burglary reimbursement. So a lot of the same things that are geared towards travelers that, you know, Navy Federal offers. Also, you have no annual fee, balance transfer fee, cash advance fee, or foreign transaction fee. So there's no annual fee with the Visa Signature from SECU, but there is an annual fee with the Flagship from Navy Federal. It's $49. It's not going to break the bank. It's the only card Navy Federal has that actually has an annual fee. So when it comes to points, redeeming points and things like that, with SECU, it's pretty simple. You can redeem your points for merchandise, gift cards, and travel at scorecardrewards.com. So that's their portal that they like to use. Navy Federal, They also have their own portal that you can go to get cash back, statement credit, go shopping there. And like I said earlier, their points are about 1 penny per point. So if you look here, like 30,000 points, $300 value, right, for a round trip airline ticket. The points don't expire, so as long as the account's open, the points don't expire. Your account's in good standing, you'll be good to go. Navy Federal, just like SECU, you can also redeem them for travel, gift cards, merchandise, as well as cash with Navy Federal. Now, as we dig in here to looking at the fees, like I said earlier, Navy Federal, the annual fee is $49 for the Flagship card. So that's their only credit card. Of the 6 credit cards Navy Federal offers, is the only one with an annual fee. The SECU Visa Signature card, $0 for the annual fee. They both have no foreign transaction fee. And then they both are the annual percentage rate. Look at the APR. These are pretty damn similar, actually. Navy Federal is a little bit lower, 9.99 to 18%. And then SECU is 11.49 to 19.49. So pretty competitive in that regard. Those are both lower than you'll see with lots of banks, lots of big banks, even other credit unions. If you look at the cash advance for Navy Federal, it's 2% above your variable APR, but they cap that at 18%. So also ATM cash advance fee for Navy Federal, it's none if you do it at one of their branches. Otherwise, 50 cents for domestic, $1 for foreign. And then late payment, return payment fee up to $20, which lots of banks are about $38, $39, $40 for that. Now, if we hop over to the Visa Signature card, balance transfer fee $0, cash advance fee $0, late payment fee up to $25, and return payment up to $15. So they're going to ding you for it. You're going to take a hit on those. Getting hit with those fees if you do have a late payment or a return payment, but it's definitely not going to be like a big bank where it's, oftentimes $15. Yeah, it could be like more than double that. So that's a big reason why with these 2 credit unions, people love them so much and they're so popular. Now, as we continue on and we'll look at some of the other eligibility requirements that you need to know for Navy Federal. Okay, so if you want to get in, here's what you need to know. You got to be active duty or veteran from the military. Okay, you can be, doesn't matter if you were active duty, reserve, National Guard, not a big deal. If you're in delayed entry program, waiting to go to basic training, you can join. If you're an officer or candidate, ROTC, you can. If you're a veteran, immediate family members, so parents, grandparents, spouses, siblings, children, including adopted and stepchildren, or a household member. So it could be a roommate even. So those are the ways you can get into Navy Federal. Now, SECU, remember, they're based in Maryland, but it says you have a family member who's an SECU member. You're employed by a Maryland state agency or organization, past or present. You attend or are employed by a Maryland college or university, past or present. You're employed by one of the 1,900 plus affiliated employers. Or, this is the final one, you donate to the SECU MD Foundation. That's how you can get in, okay? That's actually how I got in to SECU. So if you live in Wisconsin or Texas or California or wherever, you can just donate to the SECU MD Foundation. That way you can actually get your membership to SECU and you'll have access to their cards as well. So they actually have 7 credit cards available. Navy Federal has 6, SECU has 7. So that's why some people actually like SECU better and they think it's better than Navy Federal because some of the things that they offer are very competitive with Navy Federal. Navy Federal, as far as the credit union world, is definitely the top dog. So guys, with all of that being said, please subscribe to the channel. Hope this was a good quick breakdown for you of really what is like the best card that each of these credit unions have to offer. So I appreciate you guys spending part of your day with me here. I really do. I'm happy to share this information with you guys. Just go ahead, subscribe to the channel because we got a whole hell of a lot more to talk about. That's going to be it for this video. And until next time, keep growing your money.